So this is going to be a alternating floor hyperextension. So my opposite hands and feet are going to work together on this. So what I'm going to do is lay face down. I'm going to have everything on the floor, but I'm going to raise this hand and this foot. So opposite hand, opposite foot are going to come up and then come back down. And then I'm going to do opposite hand, opposite foot. Come up, come down. So I'm going to go 1, 1. And my head comes back on each one. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. And I'm pointing my thumbs up. 6, 6. So that I know that I'm externally rotating at the shoulders, and I want to be squeezing my glutes. Now you're going to feel this through your whole posterior chain, but you want to make sure that your glutes and your shoulders are doing most of the driving.